Tracy Icy here, and I am back with another video. So it's 7:30 a.m. in the morning, and I am about to go to Walmart. Now today's Saturday is Black Saturday because I didn't go out to shop. Yesterday I was so busy, I was working and I just had a lot of stuff to do with school and everything. So I want to go shop my own Black Friday today. You hear me? I want to go shop my own Black Friday today, and as you can see me right now, I don't even look like anybody that needs to go out. Huh? You hear me? Because if I go out there right now, someone is gonna call. There's someone here ready for Douglas. You know what I mean? Oh, I recently bought this. I have never used it before. I don't know what they call it. I don't know if they call it a donut. A donut? Now I'm getting hungry. I don't know what they call it, but I'm just gonna try to use it because my hair is a mess. This has been a twist out for like a week and a half. So today is my wash day, but I really want to skip wash day. You know when it's your wash day and you just like, I don't want to wash my hair. I want to go for another day. Another day turns to 2. 2 days turn into 3 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Now today I am doing that. I want to skip another wash day. So let's get right into the video. Anyways, I'm gonna take my $1 spray bottle and I am gonna do what I am gonna do. Let me get serious now, and this feels so good, guys. Like, you know when your hair has been tied up for so long? You know when your hair has not been washed for like more than 4 days, and that feeling, like I just want to use my heel right now to scratch this thing. Ooh. Okay. I have never used this before, pretty much, but I'll just see. You know when they ask you to use a damn size amount and that product costs you more than $20? Yeah, this is a damn size amount. But when the product is less than $5, honey, this is damn size amount. This is a damn size amount. Okay, I'm just gonna smush that all in. I'm not even gonna try to detangle because it's gonna take me an hour and I'm already running late. I want to be there as early as possible just so I get all what I need and get back to my house. I know if my mama see me right now, she's gonna beat me up. If my mom sees me doing this, she is just gonna, I don't know what she's gonna tell me. She'll be like, don't use a comb! Don't use... I really don't. try this. What? You know, I've been using this product for ages. I don't even know what it's called. We're just gonna use this.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break.
This struggle is all of these. I don't even think I need the donut thing because
I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the
I'm there. That's it. It came out well. I was so skeptical. Like, I kept thinking of this for days. Like, should I try this? Should I waste my, like, should I try this? Should I waste my $2 on this? Like, I don't know, sis. Cause this $2 could buy me a coffee, you know. So thank you all for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.